Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Techno Right. What's going on guys, welcome to Techno Right. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to open PDF, DOC, PowerPoint documents on your Android smartphone. Okay, it's a very simple process and you need only one app. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into the Play Store. Okay, as you can see, I've already opened it. You're going to type in WPS. Okay, and that will bring up the WPS Office. Okay, you're going to install it. It's a free office suite and it's really wonderful guys. Okay, so after you install it, just open it up and you can see here it has like divisions of the documents that you have. So if you have a document, you can just click on DOC and it will show all the DOC documents. If you have a PowerPoint, you can press on the PPT. If you have an Excel, you can press on the XLS. If you have a PDF, you can open the PDF. And if you have a notepad file, you can click on the TXT. Okay, so basically that's about it guys. That's on how to open PDF and other file types on your Android smartphone. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.